Hello again. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to test the module voltages of a hybrid battery on this Lexus. Now I believe all the Lexuses use the same principle, so we can test all the voltages and the resistance actually of the hybrid battery. What we're going to use is a Topdon Artidiag 500, a simple unit to stick on your OBD, and we'll just run through a few tests. So here we go. First things first is to find out where the OBD socket is, and this one is just there. So plug it in, upside down, make sure it's the wrong way around obviously, and there we go. That's in. For the Topdon to load up, and what we need to do really, we need to put the ignition on. So put that safe there, we'll put the ignition on. Okay, so it's in ready, and it's loading up now. Because we've used this before, the Topdon has remembered what vehicle I've used, and it'll also, if you haven't used before, it'll also scan via your VIN number. It'll find your VIN number automatically and scan and tell you what model you have. So we've already know we've got a Lexus, so we just tick Lexus, and then we go confirm. That's a bit harder. There we go. It'll load all the info up. Now this is really handy. Here we go. That's the chassis number, the VIN number. So confirm that again. Come on, confirm. That's it. This is very handy if you bought second hand or you've bought from a non-Lexus dealer, which is obviously second hand as well. Lexus do have this service, which costs around £60 if you do it standalone, or if you have it serviced every year with a Lexus, they will do this check for you anyway. So it just gives you an extra year's guarantee on your battery, hybrid battery. So we bought this second hand, so we're going to try it ourselves and make sure everything's all right. So now we're going to go to Europe, and then we go to other, and then we're going to go to, this is 2018 model, so we need that one. That's 2017 to 2019. We've got radar cruise, so we'll tick that. Now we need to confirm this information, and we'll go to auto scan, and then we need to go to hybrid control, which is that one there. Hybrid control, hit that. And then it'll say blah blah blah. So we go next. We can hit next, and it'll say read the DTC is clear, or go to data stream. So we go to data stream, that one, and it'll communicate now. So we'll let that load up. Now that's loaded up, we need to scroll down. This obviously tells you lots and lots of things that we're not really interested in at the moment. We need to go all the way down to about here, and there we go. There's a battery blocks with the 17 battery blocks, and we need to read all the voltages. So what you have to do is see if all those voltages are within 0.3 volts. So you can start the engine up, which I will do now. There we go, start up, and you'll see the voltage will rise slightly. There's no load on the car yet. You could do a load test, but you need somebody in the car with you. So what you need to know is if they are between 0.3, and now you see all these. I'll just stop the vehicle at the moment. It will stop itself actually, and it will settle down. So the battery one, we'll start with battery one. You have 15.2 volts roughly, and you'll see that all the others are relatively the same, within well, I'm moving up a little bit, but 0.2 or something. 15.17, 15.14, 15.19, changing now. 15.2, 15.24. They are moving a little bit, but there's no great difference in the voltages. So we go down to 14. There's 17 blocks apparently in this one. It'll also tell you the auxiliary battery voltage. So now they're stabilised. You have average point 15.2, something like that, 15.15. Well within tolerance anyway. So we'll start up again. You'll see them rise there a little bit. It should it will stabilise. 14.95. There we go. 14.95. So they're all within tolerances now. They're fine. So we ain't got to worry about that. Then you can also go to resistance, and resistance will tell you, if I can find it down here somewhere. Yeah, internal resistance. All the internal resistance. If you have a low internal resistance or a high internal resistance, that could affect the battery health as well. And these are all 0.24, 0.024, 0.023. If I start it up again, they won't change because that's stable, and that's in ohms. So all the way down to number 17 again. There you go. So 0.024, 0.023. We'll stop the engine again. So there you go. That's how to check it easily with the Topdon. It's a Topdon Artidiag 500. That's how to check him easily. So to confirm then, this is the sort of thing you want to do if you buy second hand, if the owner of the car will let you do this. It doesn't damage anything obviously, but it will check you the hybrid battery state of health really. So you could make a decision if you want to go ahead and buy, or you want to give it a miss, because the hybrid battery on these can be quite expensive. And although they're supposed to last 200,000 miles or more, they are quite expensive to replace. So you want to know, really, if you're going to shell out a little bit of money, you want to know that the resistances are good, and you're actually your hybrid battery itself, or the modules, are in good state of health as well. So that only makes sense. So there you go then. That's all done, and that's a very, very easy way to check. So I say Lexus will do this charge for you for about £60 if you've not had it serviced with them. But if you have it serviced every year, then they will actually do it free of charge. The good thing about this one as well, the Topdon version, once you've checked your voltages, you can actually upload, you can do a report, press report, and then you can actually send all the information that you have to your phone via email, and then print it out to show, maybe when you want to sell the car, to show a prospective customer that the state of health of your hybrid battery is in very good order, which helps sell it. Because we've just sold our other Lexus, and that's the CT200, and we did the same thing on this to prove that you have got a good state of health of your hybrid battery. So there you are, and that's all finished. Thank you very much for watching.